Welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more Gypsy for delivery for our customer. This is a 2002 Euro 2 engine with a Mpfi model engine in this ex-army vehicle, which has been completely restored at Jeepzone, Bangalore. You can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is coming up with off-roading bumpers in this. We have installed our off-roading bumpers. Both shackles are available in this completely, and badgings from Maruti, and also you have installed shackles. 2-inch lift has been done on this vehicle. You can just check complete body line of this vehicle. The vehicle is coming up with a brand new Yokohama Geolander 80 tires in this. 235, 75, 15 tires are being available in this, and also off-road rims are available. We also have hub locks installed in this. Front we have installed our disc brakes coming up with the factory fitting itself. Door hinges are available in this. Rockslidders are been available. A complete dual tone color has been installed on this. You can just check out the body line is coming up with a blue color paint job in this, and both the sides snorkel. That's the snorkel is available on the driver side, and also Rocksliders are available on the both the sides. And you can just check, this is a 3-door vehicle which is coming up with a dual tone color, black and blue. We also have a Automac exhaust installed in this. Tyre Carrier is available in this for a better support, and a set of 5 tires are from Yokohama Geolander. A complete good body line has been installed in this. So right now I'll be showing you the interiors of this vehicle, and also we have a snorkel installed in this. Complete snorkel is from installed on this vehicle. The vehicle is coming with AC and power steering also. And you can just have a look at the dashboard. The dashboard is also completely with a good finish, and new seat covers have been installed, and door pads also are being upgraded. 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive. We also have a Jimmy Super Carry steering installed in this. You can just check out, this is a 3rd row seats, and this is the roofing which has been done. This is a 3-door vehicle. So you can just have a look at the 3rd row. And this is the Automac exhaust which has been installed from onto the vehicle, and we also have a Tyre Carrier which has also been installed on this for a better support and better ride. So anybody who is really interested in modifying their Gypsies or Jeeps or Boleros or any kinds of pickups, any 4-wheel vehicle, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number. And this vehicle is also having a power steering and AC available in this. So any kinds of modification, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 9886679617. Our workshop name is Jeepzone Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel for any kinds of modifications or any kinds of sales, service and modifications. Please contact us. We are free to contact you. Just drop a message to us. So please like and subscribe our channel. Please do support our team and follow our channel. Thank you and have a great day.